Starting today, several streets in San Diego are closed to cars in order to create more walkways for pedestrians. And 10 News reporter Jared Aaron shows us where they are and what people who live nearby think.
With these barricades and these cones in place, Diamond Street in Pacific Beach is now a slow street. It's a new program in San Diego that shuts down a handful of streets across the city so that we can do this, walk on them, or bike, or jog. It's the city's way to try and give everybody the space they need to get outside, but still socially distance from each other. I talked to some people who live in this neighborhood. They have mixed reactions about the plan.
It's a little bit tricky when you're trying to watch out for traffic and other walkers.
Lizzie Lukrich and her dog Wheezy walk up and down Diamond a couple times each week. Trying to steer clear of other people gets stressful.
I kind of have to keep an eye out and kind of keep an eye on who's coming down the street and then cross the street, look out for cars, all that.
But not anymore. The city's new Slow Streets program is taking cars off of some roads during the pandemic.
These changes, I think, are going to help what we're continuing to do, which is to methodically reopen our city in a safe and responsible manner.
Thursday morning, crews put the signs in place on Diamond from Mission to Olney, as well as the 805 overpass on Adams Avenue and Howard Street through North Park. They've also upgraded crosswalks and reopened commuter bike lanes. Councilmember Jen Campbell, who represents Pacific Beach, says this can keep pedestrians safe and give San Diego a chance to study the environmental impact.
A clear analysis on the possibilities could inspire a vision for the San Diego of tomorrow, one that prioritizes walkability and more open green space for our communities.
Some people in PB told 10 News they worry it may bring more people to the streets and thus more exposure to the coronavirus. But for Lizzie and Wheezy, it's a welcome change.
A lot of trails are closed, a lot of the beach promenades are closed, so to be provided in an area that's specifically kind of somewhat designated for walking, I think is great.
These streets may be closed, but there will still be cars on them. Emergency vehicles, public transit, and also people going to and from their homes will still be allowed to use the roads. So the city urges people, if you're walking on the street, you still need to be careful. In Pacific Beach, Jared Aarons, 10 News.